Alright guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify no internet connection. So guys, if you're using your Spotify app and you're experiencing this issue, you want to first test between both internet connection. So if you're using the Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi and try using your mobile data. And if you're using the mobile data and you can access a Wi-Fi, then you want to go ahead and test on the Wi-Fi to see if that fixed the issue. Now guys, if you're still having issues with this and your test between both internet connection and there's no luck, you want to go ahead and do a few things in your Spotify application. So once you're in Spotify, click on your profile on the uppermost left hand side. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says storage, and you will look slightly below that and you'll find clear cache. So you want to click on that and you want to clear the cache. Very easy, right? Now the next thing that you want to do guys, you want to find the Spotify application on your phone, tap on it and hold down till you have this option. Then you want to click on the eye on the upper right hand side, and then you want to go down to where it says storage. You want to click on that, and then you want to clear the cache here as well. You can also try to clear the data as well by simply click on clear data, and you'll be able to delete that data as well. Right now, if you're still having issues, then you want to go ahead and you want to try to access your Play Store. So you want to open up your Play Store and you want to search for Spotify, and then you want to see if there's any update that you have for Spotify there. If there's an update, you want to update the Spotify, and then you want to go ahead and try again. You can also try to restart your mobile, as this helps massively, and you will be able to see if that fix your issues. Now guys, I really hope that you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.